Hello, trading is closed on July 15th, 2019. We'll go over our calls. First, we said there was trend line resistance at Friday's high. If we didn't gap over it, resistance should win. Well, we gapped over it, but promptly reversed. Doesn't mean the resistance wins, but I'm not certain that's enough to invalidate the resistance there. It's just still present. We have a Dow theory sell signal, but the timing isn't precise. We said Friday's day-long rally should follow through Monday morning, and failure to do so was negative. Well, we followed through because we gapped up over the highs. The bulls needed the gap, and they got it. We have these to mark sell signals which identify the area of a top if they work. Haven't worked lately. This is a pattern with the early low, which we called. Tuesday's pattern has the early high, tends to be a positive day, closed near the high. If it fails, we drop in a straight line. This target didn't print, but we did gap up smartly, so that takes it off the table. We have new targets for tomorrow's trade. During the day, MEJT said all these squiggles were false and would retrace. Now it says this move is false and would retrace. Here are the targets to print, most likely tomorrow. Unless we gap up smartly, that's my call. Tuesday's pattern has the early high. Usually it's an all-day rally, hit the high, but if it fails, we drop in a straight line. We have lower targets, and gapping up smartly kills the call before the open, but there's also a higher target, which is the cash equivalent of the futures high. It should print at some time. Here are the targets for tomorrow. If we gap up smartly, they're off the table. Otherwise, I favor them printing. The day tends to be positive. Be careful here, because if we start dropping with conviction, the party's probably over. And that's today's call.